Hi guys, welcome back to DivineTimesTwo. Hope you're doing well, keeping yourself positive, busy, and healthy. In today's video, I am going to show you how to make homemade tasty ranch salad dressing and dip. It's creamy, flavorful, and I love that it has lots of herbs and just the right amount of fresh garlic. It's one of my favorite dressings and dips to make. So join me in the kitchen and let's get started. Let's begin making this homemade tasty ranch salad dressing and or dip. The first thing I want to do is make buttermilk. I don't have buttermilk on hand, so I will need 1/2 cup of milk or 1/2 cup of buttermilk if you have that on hand, and 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. If you don't have apple cider vinegar, you may use regular white vinegar. Stir and then place this to the side. This should take about 5 minutes. In a medium-sized bowl, add 1/2 cup mayonnaise. I'm using Sir Kensington's mayonnaise, and that was on sale, by the way, because I know it's a little expensive, but I got it on sale. And it tastes good. Then add 1/2 cup sour cream. Let's add the buttermilk that we just made. And if you don't want to use buttermilk, you may use 1/2 cup of just milk. Pour that in there. Combine. I'm going to use a whisk. Now let's add the herbs and spices. You will need 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon onion powder, 1/2 teaspoon ground black pepper, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 2 teaspoons dried chives, 2 teaspoons dried dill. Add 2 tablespoons fresh parsley. If you don't have fresh parsley, add 2 teaspoons dried parsley. Add 1 teaspoon granulated sugar and 1 teaspoon minced garlic. Whisk. I love that it has lots of herbs in it. This is very flavorful. Then add 1/2 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. Mix well. Now, if you're using milk, add 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar or regular vinegar. That's if you're only using milk or store-bought buttermilk. Or you may even use lemon juice, 1 tablespoon lemon juice. Let's pour this into a jar. Now this makes about 1.5 cups of ranch salad dressing and or dip. Before enjoying this delicious salad dressing, place it in the refrigerator to chill until ready to serve. Or it is best if you leave it overnight for better flavor. This is what the salad dressing and dip looks like when refrigerated overnight. Leaving it overnight makes it slightly thicker and it enhances the overall flavor of the dressing and dip. This homemade tasty ranch salad dressing and dip is delicious. Forget store-bought. If you like ranch, then you'll be making this all the time. Give this recipe a try. You are going to love it. Well, guys, thank you for watching. Give us a thumbs up. If you have not subscribed already, please do, so you won't miss out on any of our future videos. Remember to stay kind, positive, and divine. See you next time. Love ya. Bye. Okay, add that to the bowl. Ay, mi madre. ¿Yo no me explico?